Here we have a 2020 Explorer Chevrolet Express 2500 conversion van. And this one comes in the limited SE trim from Explorer, and it also features a sport package. So you get your blacked out aluminum wheels, black badging, black turn signals, black grille. And then you also get an additional 40 horsepower with an air filter and a tune on the 6-liter gas engine. And there's a close-up of the 20-inch wheels. Just to show you the turn signals. And then all this mesh is blacked out as well. You also have power running boards. And over here you have your power mirrors, power windows, power door locks. And there's the diamond stitched leather interior there. Feels fantastic. We'll hop back in there in a moment. You also have your tow package there. Go check out what's in the back. So one of the coolest things about the Explorer vans is being able to lower the rear seat into a sleeper. And you can also slide it forward and back. You can adjust it any way you want to. So pretty slick. And of course, in here you have your vacuum, other features as well. That's your tire kit and all that. And of course you have plugs throughout. And there's your passenger seat. And both the front driver and passenger are going to be power with heated. But we'll get to the good stuff here. Of course, there's your running board for the back. Let's hop in here and see what we got going on. There's a view of the front from back here. So next we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the entertainment system back here. There's your big screen TV along with your JBL sound system. But you can access Voodoo. You can hook up a game system if you want to. You have access to Netflix, of course. And all of that, the Netflix and all that goes through the Blu-ray player down here. And like I said, if you wanted to hook up a game system or something, you just plug it in right there. And then you hook up your HDMI port and you're good to go. And then if you want to, you can also use the Apple TV that comes with the limited SE trim. But as you can see, plenty of room back here. So leg room and all that is not a problem. And with the high top, headroom definitely isn't either. But over here, you have illuminated cup holders. It's probably hard to see because they're so bright, but really cool. And then, with this one being a 9-passenger, that's kind of what you're looking at in terms of room. And if you go back to the third row back here, well, I should say the back row, still have plenty of space. And I actually like the comfort of the sofa seat. It's so awesome. I feel like I'm king of the world in here. But then up here, you also have your lights here. You can toggle these on and off with the press of a button. And you also have plenty of light coming in through either side of the van. And then if you need to, you have this inflator here. But just a lot of cool features for your passengers back here. But now we're gonna go ahead and check out the driver's seat. So there's your leather wrapped steering wheel there. And then over here, you have your navigation system. Of course, you can zoom that in and out. You have a backup camera within the radio, and then you have one in the rear mirror as well. But you have AM, FM, XM radio. And then you also have Bluetooth audio. You have Pandora, you have an aux. So plenty of features with this radio. Of course, your climate controls here. You get your lane departure and forward collision alert with this van. You have a 3-prong plug-in there if you want to plug up a laptop charger or something. And then you have your rear AC controls that you can control here. But you have your lights like I was saying before. So you can just toggle those with the push of a button. And then down here, you can control your seat just about any way you could think of. Then you also can heat it as well. But let's check out that powertrain with the sport package. And there's a 6-liter gas engine. And as you can see, there's that K&N air filter. But next, we're gonna go ahead and take this van out on the road for a test drive. So a very smooth ride so far. And these just ride so well, the conversion vans do, they just float. And not hard to control at all. You would think with such a big van, it'd be hard to keep it in the lines and all that, but it just drives like a regular old SUV, like a Chevy Traverse or something. Just gonna give it a little throttle here. Yeah, really good power, really good. And I can actually hear the difference with the K&N air filter. So this sport package is the way to go. And if you're gonna be doing 55, 60, 65, this van does a really good job at just keeping the revs low. It just drives so well. And just a nice, clean, comfortable ride. And this diamond stitching, this interior is just oh so comfortable. The seats just, they're just great. I don't know how else to say it. They feel great. The support is great. Everything about them is just fantastic. But of course, you wouldn't expect anything less with an Explorer conversion van. Well, like I said, just really great power, really great maneuverability for such a huge van, especially with this one being a 9-passenger. But that's going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2020 Chevy Express Explorer conversion van.